Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint one of our Easter cutouts. This is a paint by line, which means that all of the lines you see etched into this cutout are done by our machine, so you don't have to worry about freehanding or figuring out where anything goes. I, of course, will be using Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com. My reason I love this paint is because for the most part, most colors are one coat coverage. So here on my egg, I'm using Dixie Belle blue, again, just one coat, and that is so helpful when doing more detailed cutouts with more colors. And then I'm going to go in with peony for one of my flowers, and then I'll also go in with soft pink for my other flower. And on all these little things that I've painted thus far, I've base coated using a number 12 flat. It's the largest brush that we have in the brush pack we sell on the website, and I pretty much usually always go to it to base coat. And also want to let you guys know that you can purchase the cutout that I'm painting and our Dixie Belle paint all at buildacross.com. And I'm going to use the color putty for my antlers. And I always like to let you guys know that putty is one of my top 3 most used colors. I get asked quite often, what are my top starters if you want to start a collection. And my top 3 colors are cotton, Savannah Mist, and putty, because I just use them throughout all of my cutouts pretty much. They're good neutrals and they have excellent coverage. And as you guys probably know, white is one of those colors that's very hard to get good coverage. So putty is just a little bit darker than the HDF that I'm painting on, but it is one of my favorite colors. And I also used the color Limeade for the leaves on the bottom of my cutout. And again, Limeade's probably my number 1 green. I also use Evergreen, which is just like a dark green, more of like a forest green, but Limeade's definitely my favorite. And now I'm going in with a number 4 round and some black paint, and I'm just beginning to outline everything. And then I'm going to go in with a sponge brush and some of the chocolate brown paint, and I'm just going to distress that onto the edges. And I always start with less because you can always go back and add more. So I usually dip my sponge brush into the paint and wipe the majority of it onto my table. And then I will go in with the number 4 round again and the color cotton just to highlight everything. And then once I've highlighted everything, my project will be complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.